Now let's continue on with our frost text. As we can see here, I've got my layer styles palette open, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and grab my fill opacity, just take it all the way down to 0. Now we see nothing, but that's okay, we'll change it. Let's go over here to bevel and emboss, and as you can see it popped right back up. So what we're going to do is we're going to set, let's click on our bevel and emboss thing, tab. What we're going to do is we're going to set our depth at around, let's say 75. That looks pretty good. And the direction up, of course. Let's take our size at around, let's say 13. And we're going to give it some rounded text there. And let's see, soften, we'll leave it at 0. And we're going to leave pretty much everything else except when we get down here to highlight mode. We're going to take our opacity all the way up to 100%, and we're going to make this normal, like so. And then we're going to take our shadow mode, and let's take this up a little bit more. And let's actually change our shadow mode. Let's change this to light, and I think this would look a little bit better, like so. There we go. It's not so rough now. And actually, let's change our color here. Let's change this to white. There we go. Let's hit OK. Wonderful. Now we've got a great start to our frost text like so. So we'll pause here and pick this up in the next part.